Hey everyone, welcome back to the CopQuest YouTube channel. My name is David. I'm the manager of agency sales, and today we're going to be going through a fantastic product from our friends over at Safariland. This is a value product where you get multiple items at a discounted rate. It is the 7TS military kit. You get all of what I'm holding in one package. So stay tuned and let's get into it. In your kit, as I shown in the intro, you're going to get all of this, and we'll go into the specifics of each one of these in a moment, but I wanted to touch on the price. So all of this MSRP for a non-light bearing version is going to be $270.50, and then if you want a light bearing version, you're looking at $287.50. Like that is fantastic. Now, if you were to buy all of these pieces, all the components individually and put them together yourself, non-light bearing, you'd be looking at $483.50. And then light bearing, you'd be looking at $499.50. So on average, you're saving over $200 if you buy this kit as is. Like that's phenomenal. So now let's talk about the holster. So you're gonna get a 7TS, which is made with the proprietary DuPont nylon blend material. You will choose either a light bearing or non-light bearing when you're picking your kits. There are multiple fits, so for those of you like 6-hour P320s, 6-hour P226s, Smith & Wesson, M&Ps, Glocks, you name it, there are so many different options. Anyway, this is a level 1 duty holster. Number wise, this would be a 7354 because it comes with a QLS 19 fork on it. So this allows you to take your holster and move it to different platforms, such as your 567 BL, which is actually a drop model. So that's awesome. So this drops it off your belt an extra inch. So that's really nice to make that space when you're wearing body armor. But anyway, the 567 BL is a belt loop adapter that you can adjust to accommodate belts ranging from 1.5 inches all the way to 2 1/4 simply by punching out these corresponding notches on the side. This is phenomenal, so it will be modular and meet your needs. The 567 BL comes with a QLS 22 receiver plate already mounted, so you can take your holster, slide it on, and now you can wear this holster on a belt loop. Pretty cool, but we're not done yet. This is going to be the MLS 16. So MLS stands for MOLLE lock system. So MOLLE lock system is a fork that will allow you to weave this through MOLLE on your vests, plate carriers, ballistic armor, whatever you're calling it, or you can put it on to a battle belt. Kind of cool. The MLS 16 comes equipped with a QLS 22 receiver plate already on it. So same thing, have your holster, and you can attach this on. And there you go. The holster is able to go onto MOLLE. Let's talk about the single strap leg shroud that comes in the package. It has a QLS 22 receiver plate already attached, comes with the 568 BL, which is the paddle, and then it has the universal flex adapter so that you can change. Let me see if you can see it. So there's a couple of different hole patterns, so you can change your ride height to accommodate your draw. And as I've already shown, you can take your holster and attach this. There we go. And now you will have a holster on your thigh. So this, while it looks like it's a little messy, this is actually a shoulder harness. And as you can tell, there's 2 QLS receiver plates on here. That is because the entire military kit is actually ambidextrous. So the only thing that changes is the holster itself. So when you choose right hand or left hand, this holster is the only thing that will change between the entire kits across the board. So you can add your holster on here, and then what you can do is if you have some mag pouches, you can use QLS. So many different acronyms, apologies on that. Even I get mixed up sometimes. But anyway, you can use QLS to attach that. Or, hey, if you want to have a second holster, by all means, I'm cool with doing dual-wielded pistols. I think it's kind of fun. But anyway, same thing with the QLS system. You can attach it, you can remove it, you can move it. You can do whatever suits your need, and it is mission adaptable. Like I said, with all of these pieces, you're looking at a little under $300 for this at MSRP. But if you were to get them individually, you're looking upwards of $500. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our informational video on the Safariland military kit. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, we'll have everything linked down below. If you could, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we love putting out great content for you. Be safe and talk to you later.